Golaghat Commerce College Students' Union election results out. October 1, 2024 marked a significant day for Golaghat Commerce College as the Students' Union election took place, shaping the college leadership for the upcoming session. In a proud moment for the Karbi community, two talented students emerged victorious. Pinchong Rongpi, son of Chandra Rongpi and Mrs. Iris Tobipi from Lindok Rongpi village, Chokihola secured the post of music secretary. Daniel Hanse, son of Suresh Hanse and Renuka Rongparpi from Warprok village under Nilip constituency, won the post of general sports secretary. The leading site news extends heartfelt congratulations. We wish Pinchong and Daniel a successful tenure, filled with achievements and growth. May their dedication and patience inspire their peers, and may their journey be blessed by God. Thanks for watching.